Today we have a 2005 Citizen M-20 Type 5. It's got a CAV 20M bar loader, cool blaster, high pressure coolant. We're going to run the machine. We have the spindle nut caps off currently. What are we doing first?
Start with the
Main spindle first. 1500 RPM. 3500. That's 6000 RPM on the main. All right. Show you the C here on the main. It's got a full C axis on main and sub spindle. That's the live tool, the gang tool, 1500, 3500. It's a live tool on the turret at 3000. That's 5000 RPM. All right. Now the sub spindle here at 1500. That's 1500. 3500, 6000 RPM. All right. C axis. That's the Y-axis? No, not yet. X-axis on that. Z. And Y. Now do the headstock. Okay. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.